The demand for high-quality coconut oil is surging, capturing the interest of everyone from health enthusiasts to desk-bound typists and gamers seeking simple, non-toxic ways to maintain healthy skin and focus during long sessions. This guide evaluates 6 top-tier coconut oils, analyzing their switch type, processing method like cold-pressed or fractionated, build quality, purity and sourcing, layout, packaging utility, and overall value.
Product number 1. Garden of Life Raw Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. This raw organic extra virgin oil is a gold standard for versatility. Because it is cold-pressed and unrefined, it retains a rich, pleasant coconut aroma and flavor. Users consistently praise its multi-purpose utility, ranging from a nourishing skin moisturizer and hair conditioner to a high-quality cooking fat. Its solid-to-liquid texture makes it easy for oil pulling or baking. With its clean, non-GMO ingredients, it provides excellent value for those looking for a multi-purpose kitchen and beauty staple. Product number 2. Viva Naturals Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. Viva Naturals offers a top-tier, unrefined, cold-pressed option that excels in both culinary and personal care applications. It features a light, natural coconut scent and a smooth consistency that absorbs beautifully into hair and skin without feeling overly heavy. Many customers value its effectiveness in homemade scrubs and as a butter substitute in cooking. Its sturdy packaging and reliable quality makes it a trusted choice for daily routines, providing high value for its generous size. Product number 3. Sky Organics Organic Coconut Oil and Vitamin E. Infused with vitamin E, this specific blend is a powerhouse for those targeting deep hydration. The addition of antioxidants makes it an exceptional choice for restoring the skin barrier and soothing dry, irritated areas. Users report that it absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue, making it ideal for both face and body use. Its vegan and cruelty-free formulation, combined with its ability to soften frizzy hair, solidifies its position as a go-to for specialized skin and hair care. Product number 4. Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil. Unlike virgin oils, this fractionated version remains liquid at room temperature, making it incredibly convenient for massage or as a carrier oil for essential oils. It is lightweight, non-greasy, and virtually odorless, which is perfect for those who want the benefits of coconut oil without the distinct tropical scent. Customers love the pump packaging and its ability to absorb quickly, making it a highly practical choice for daily moisturizing routines and custom aromatherapy blends. Product number 5. Pura D'or Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. Pura D'or delivers a 100% pure, USDA-certified organic fractionated coconut oil that stands out for its purity and versatility. Being odorless and non-greasy, it acts as an ideal base for facial moisturizers, body oils, and essential oil dilution. The lightweight formula is gentle enough for sensitive skin and effectively treats dry hair without weighing it down. While some users note the pump requires careful handling to prevent drips, its overall performance and large bottle size offer stellar value. Product number 6. Viva Naturals Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. This fractionated oil is prized for its ultra-light, non-greasy texture that makes application a breeze. Whether used as a daily moisturizer, a base for DIY beauty products, or a massage oil, it provides consistent nourishment without leaving a heavy residue. Its odorless nature ensures it won't clash with other skincare products or essential oils. For those seeking a professional-grade, easy-to-use liquid coconut oil that fits perfectly into a refined beauty routine, this product is an outstanding high-value investment.